Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your phone. This process completely erases all personal data, returning your device to its original factory settings. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up all your important files, photos, and contacts to a cloud service or another device. Also, make sure your phone has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions. Don't forget to remove your SIM card and any external memory cards too. For Android devices, start by opening your phone's settings menu. Scroll down and locate either System or General Management, depending on your device's manufacturer and software version. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Reset or Erase All Data Factory Reset. Carefully review the information presented, then confirm your decision. You will likely need to enter your device's PIN, pattern, or password to proceed with the reset. If you're using an iPhone, the process is quite similar. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. Next, tap on General and then scroll all the way down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone will then guide you through the final steps, which will include entering your Apple ID password to confirm that you wish to proceed with the complete data erasure. After the formatting process is complete, your phone will restart and present you with the initial setup screen, just like when it was brand new. At this point, you can either set up the device as a completely new phone or restore your data from a previous backup, if you made one. If you're preparing to sell or give away your phone, double-check that all personal accounts are removed. Consider recycling old devices responsibly through certified electronic waste programs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.